if anyone who works for the Scottish Government, including ministers, special advisers or civil servants, were involved in discussions concerning the postponement of the trial of Peter Murrell until after the Scottish Parliament election in May.
Minister Graham Day.
Presiding Officer, there have been no discussions. Scheduling of trials is a matter for the independent judiciary and the Scottish Courts and Tribunal Service.
Douglas Ross.
My question was worded very specifically because we have almost 20 special advisers, almost 30 government ministers and over 9,000 civil servants within the Scottish Government. So given Graham Day has just given a categorical reassurance that none of this almost 10,000 individuals had involvement involvement or any discussions at all, can he update Parliament on how he was able to assemble that information over 10,000 individuals in the last couple of days? And if he wasn't, has he just come here to try and fob off Parliament, which is a signal of this corrupt government from a corrupt party of government?
Minister.
Presiding Officer, I utterly refute the allegations within that commentary from Douglas Ross, typical though it is of his approach to many such subjects. Let me be absolutely clear. This is a live court case, and therefore I would strongly suggest we should all of us be cautious about our comments in relation to it. But I reiterate that the scheduling of trials is a matter for the independent judiciary and the Scottish Courts and Tribunal Service. It is a matter entirely for the judge to determine the date for preliminary hearings or actual trials themselves. And I would reiterate that there have been no discussions of the nature that Mr Ross implied in his original question.
Douglas Ross.
The Minister is still avoiding saying. So has he gone round almost 10,000 people in the last couple of days to check whether they had discussions or not? And if he hasn't, he cannot possibly give that categorical response. And this comes down to transparency, because this stinks. It absolutely stinks.
Presiding Officer, as a Scottish Government Minister, I take very seriously my responsibilities and the need to respect the processes that cover our justice system. And I am not going to be dragged into a toing and froing, particularly in the terms that Mr Ross uses so typically. I make absolutely clear there is an independent process that is followed in all of these things, overseen by the Lord President. There have been no discussions of the type that the member suggests, Presiding Officer.